Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. My name is Hollabec. Jordan and I just got back from a short trip to Ludington, and as I was unpacking, it occurred to me, why don't I do something that every female YouTuber on YouTube has done? I'm going to show you what is in my enormous bag. So I actually just recently cleaned it out because it gets really messy really quick because I'm a monster. So I thought I could show you what I typically carry around with me, what I can't live without, what I have to bring with me everywhere. So I guess let's just dive right in, shall we? So of course there's the obvious stuff that you guys, I'm sure, would guess. My wallet, keys, and other important documents. So let's start first with my beauty care items. I don't typically carry around makeup unless I'm wearing a specific shade of lipstick. I'll bring that with me for refreshers, but past that, these are the only items that I usually carry. So of course I have to have lotion, but one bottle is not enough, of course. So I have 3 bottles of lotion in my purse currently. There is the White Lavender lotion from the White Company. There is Cake Heavy Cream. This I actually got in my Ipsy bag. And I also have a small little travel size bottle of Gold Bond Ultimate Healing Skin Therapy. I figure that gives me at least 3 options because I'm picky and I like options. I also absolutely have to have some kind of chapstick or lip serum, something for my lips. Lately I've been carrying Blistex conditioning lip serum, as well as, of course, chapstick in the spearmint, which is my favorite. I also, of course, enjoy smelling good. What person doesn't enjoy smelling good? So I like to carry around a tiny little vial of perfume, which I just left out recently in one of my most recent Ipsy bags. I ended up getting this One Note Pink Peony. It isn't my favorite scent, but it still smells pretty darn good, so I like having it with me when I need a little refresher. Transitioning into more essentials, I of course always have to carry around a hairbrush, especially when you have long hair, you need it. I also will typically carry around some hand sanitizer. This one is Bath & Body Works Pocket Back with essential oils marshmallow fireside, which actually smells so stinking good. I absolutely always have to have a bottle of Ibuprofen. I get small headaches pretty easily, so it's nice having around, especially because I do have social anxiety. It helps. I'll typically carry around 2 different types of tissues. Of course, your typical face tissue, because I swear I'm in a perpetual state of runny nose. And I'll also typically carry around some hand wipes. And I recently found these, the Grime Stoppers Heavy Duty Hand Wipes. And they are the best hand wipes I've ever used, guys. If you find these somewhere, definitely pick up a bunch of them. I did, and I do not regret it. I recently had an oil paint incident that I'd rather not get into, but this saved my life. Of course, I am a cat owner, so if I ever want to wear black, I almost have to have a lint roller. So I always like to carry around this little travel size one. Going back to smelling good, I almost always, if not gum, will at least carry around some hard candy, specifically peppermints. You know, for those days where I decide to eat something truly disgusting. And this way, everybody else doesn't have to suffer for it. With my cell phone, these last 2 items are almost obsolete, but it's always nice having them around. I like to carry around a little notebook and a pen, and this particular notebook is special because I have a special little good luck charm inside that I like to carry around with me everywhere. I figure you can never have too much luck. And just, you know, in case that luck runs out, I carry one last item in my purse that I actually got as a gift from one of my old coworkers. It is a tiny little can of Mace because you can never be too safe, and sometimes people just need to be maced in the face, am I right? Alright guys, but that is it for today. Hopefully you found some enjoyment out of whatever weird things I happen to keep in my purse. Probably not, but maybe. YouTube is a weird place. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, of course leave me a thumbs up. I love seeing those. It makes my day. And if you're looking to make my year, subscribe to my channel because, oh my god, it fuels me. Actually fuels me. I have a little tank in the back. I just pour them all in, and that's what keeps me running for the day. Alright guys, with that being said, I will see you the next time around.